Alright you guys, welcome back. Today I am doing an Azure haul for you guys. If you don't know what Azure is, it is basically a bulk food supplier where you can get things shipped to you, or there's a drop-off location near your town. They have them all over the place. Definitely check the link in the blog post down below so you can find out more info. Okay, so first item is, you're gonna be kind of surprised about this, but we have bought 80 pounds of apples. What are these for, you might ask? Well, a number of things. First of all, we're gonna do apple pie filling, canned apple pie filling in a jar that I've made before. It is so delicious. I made 2 apple pies on Thanksgiving, you guys. I will definitely be sharing the recipe. Let me know if that's something you guys are interested in. But I have 80 pounds of apples, okay? So 2 are on this side, 2 on the other side. You'll see those in a second. And then we have some frozen tortillas that are not frozen anymore, because we left them in the car and my husband thought they would stay frozen. Honey, don't do that again. Okay, next up I have a bunch of flowers, and the first one is, it's not a flower. This is, how do you say that? How do you say this? Succulent. Succulent. How do you say this? Succulent.
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 Succulent. Succulent.
No, not succulent. Succulent. This is succulent, and what this is unbleached, unprocessed sugar. So we're gonna try it out. I've heard mixed reviews, but this is like a really good one. This is non-GMO. We are trying this out because it is better for you than actual like bleached sugar. It doesn't go through any of like the processing stuff, but it's harder to bake with. It's like a little bit chunkier, so we're gonna give it a try because your girl is on like a healthier journey in life. I like buying organic stuff. If you cannot, the Azure is such a great place because you can try bulk food at a lower price. So, all right, next up we have bread flour. I didn't get a lot of it because I'm going to be testing some recipes with different flour. So I wanted to get like smaller quantities. What is this, 5-pound bag? So we got organic bread flour. And I always try to get organic when I can. I don't always eat organic. Did you just fart? What was that?
Are you gonna fart and then blame me on camera? On camera.
Nick,
are you serious?
that was from over there.
I
Stop.
swear to you, I did not fart.
You know, dude. I don't fart. I don't even fart. Sorry.
Oh my God,
okay.
Totally just let one rip and then blame me.
Hold on. What was I saying? Okay. I always try to buy organic when I'm eating at home. We don't always eat organic. I eat fast food. We eat out all the time. And yes, I'll buy like quick stuff you'll see here. But I do try when I can. I try to keep the chemicals at a minimal, you know? All right, so next up, we're actually using this tonight. This is yellow popcorn. You can actually make this in a pot. And I have some butter that is like movie theater butter, but it's actually organic. And it's, what is that butter? What is that stuff called?
Coconut butter?
It's coconut oil. So, Nick, should you say hi to the camera?
No, thank you.
Okay. Nick's back there helping me with the camera because I have the best husband. If your husband helps you film, aren't they just the best? Right, honey?
Right, honey.
Okay, bread flour. Did I do this one already? I did bread flour. Bread flour, yellow popcorn. Oh, okay. All right, next up we have rolled oats. Organic rolled oats, gotta have rolled oats. My kids like when I make oatmeal in the morning. And then I usually do like a double batch. And then I put the rest in the fridge. And then I just reconstitute it with a little bit more water and milk. It makes it so easy. Now I have organic all-purpose flour. And then we have organic pastry whole wheat flour. I'm also going to do a sourdough starter, so I wanted to like experiment with a bunch of different flours when I feed it to see what works best. Okay, so last thing on this side, I have a bunch of canned stuff. We have green beans, dark kidney beans, and then we have black beans. I have more beans on the side, but I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so next up we have molasses. You can actually make your own brown sugar at home. So we got some of that. Then we have buttermilk powder. I'm learning that a lot of recipes like biscuits and stuff, you need buttermilk. You can also make it out of vinegar and milk. I don't want to do all that. So I'm going to use the powdered stuff, reconstitute it. And then we also have, kamut flour. So I got a little bag of this. I heard this is like really good for your digestion if you are gluten intolerant. So definitely going to try this out. I'm excited to try it. And then we have arrowroot powder, which this is like tapioca starch, cornstarch, whatever it is to like thicken stuff up. I did some research on which one I wanted to get, and I'm doing arrowroot. Okay, next up we have, I am actually making homemade biscuits. I'm going to use my own flour and all of that, but I do want to have some like convenient stuff on hand. Like this is biscuit and baking mix. So I just want to have this when I'm tired, lazy, don't really feel like going the extra mile. I want to have convenient stuff. I wanted to say that to you guys. I want you to feel like not pressured. I have a lot of organic stuff here. If you can't afford that or you don't care about that, it doesn't matter. As long as you are trying your best to feed your family, put food on the table, that's all that really matters. So do what sinks to your heart. All right, now, oh, I wanted to show you, we have a whole box of this. So when you're doing Azure, it's cheaper. The more you buy, the more discount that you get. So just like that, I got this baking flour. This is so good, you guys. I actually have a special pancake recipe that I make for my kids, and they actually like it better than the gluten one. This is really good. I have a huge box back here. I think I ordered 4. I think they both come with 3 or 4. Okay, next up we have 6 boxes of this. 6 boxes of this lasagna noodles. So these are semolina, and I guess it's like better for your body to process. These are from Italy, which is nice, but I would really want to make lasagna soup. I do want to do lasagna, but I heard this one was really good. I've watched a bunch of other Azure hauls. Go down that rabbit hole. You'll absolutely love it. So now we have vanilla extract. This is also from Azure Market. They have a lot of their own private label, or I don't know if it's private label, but they have their own label on their products. But I'm going to make my own. You can make it from Costco and vanilla beans. So I bought this in the meantime because it takes like a year or something for it to sit up there. I know there's a faster way. Let me know if you guys have any recipes you suggest down below. Okay, next up we have avocado oil. This is a high smoke point oil. I wanted to get this for our giant, what is that thing called? What's that big girdle called that we bought?
A black soda?
No.
Cast iron skillet.
Okay, we got a 17-inch. I'm going to link it for you guys because it has changed our life. Don't you just love it?
Yes.
How many were you cooking last night?
3 steaks at a time.
Nick was cooking 3
steaks.
Ribeyes, and they were amazing. Like, honestly, that was like the best steak you've made in
Insert
like a long
footage
time.
here.
So good. So anyways, if you want to take care of your cast iron skillet, you want to have a high smoke point oil like avocado oil. This is organic and it's a huge thing. It's a really good price. I've like price checked a lot of things. So that's another thing I wanted to share with you guys. If you see the things I have, I've already price checked them. And if something's more expensive, it's because it's not organic. So you have to just make that choice. But I am excited to have that. Next up we have balsamic vinegar. I'm really excited about this because I want to make like dressings and stuff, my own dressings. We haven't been eating a lot of salad at home. I just started cooking again because I don't know if you guys have noticed, we are in a house. We're staying in an Airbnb for all of winter. So it's going to be really nice having a kitchen, and I'll be sharing recipes with you guys. So next up we have condensed coconut milk. So you can make so many things with this for the holidays. I really want to make fudge with this. I was reading a bunch of the reviews and everybody was saying like this is amazing, even better than the regular milk one. So I'm excited to try that. Then I got some jars. So another thing you guys need to know about Azure is sometimes things are out of stock. Like I had $1,000 worth of stuff in my cart and only 400 and something showed up because I had cheese and I had a bunch of other stuff. I think my cheese is actually going to be here today or tomorrow. If I'm not done editing this video, I'll insert footage. Best cheese of all time. I ordered 4 5-pound blocks. I know, we go through a lot of cheese around here. There's 6 of us. So this is pure lime. The one that was not in stock was the pure lemon, which you can use either one for canning, but I prefer using the lemon one. I'm getting ready to do canning all over my channel, so get ready for that. I got this mayo. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this. I've never tried this Chosen Foods organic mayo, but I want to either make my own or start using better quality. There's like oils in all of the food that are just causing inflammation and stuff, and I'm kind of done like feeling inflamed. You know what I'm saying? All right. Next up, we have tomato basil. I make a bomb bolognese sauce. Like my family was so in love with it the other day. I'm really excited to make it, but it's nice to have convenience things on hand when you're not feeling good, or all day long you've been working, cooking, cleaning, and you're like, I need to throw something together. Gotta have the convenience tomato basil sauce. And since I bought 6, I got it for a lower price. Okay, so next up we have pizza sauce. I also want to jar this myself when tomatoes are in season, but this one's really good. We've had this before. I like buying, when I'm in a pinch, French bread from the store. I actually have it on my Instagram. If you're not following me over there, go check me out. But I put pizza sauce, cheese, whatever toppings, throw it in the oven, super easy. I feel like whenever you want to order a pizza, if you do that instead, it's going to be cheaper, healthier, and I think it's more convenient. You probably have a lot of the stuff on hand already. Okay, next up, you can see a lot of these. So this first layer is all red enchilada sauce. I've made enchilada sauce before, but I'm excited to have this on the shelf. I use so many recipes. Like the recipe tonight, I made some chicken, some like Mexican chicken we're going to put into tacos. I do enchilada sauce, salsa, onion, fresh garlic, and then I put it in the Instapot. It's so good and flavorful. And then on this bottom row here, there's a whole nother set of green sauce. Here's green, sorry. One layer is red and one layer is green, but we love doing the same thing, but with green. And then 2, when I make enchiladas, you got your sauce ready to go. Okay, next up, I got this for you, honey. I got some sriracha. I got this for my husband because you love sriracha, right? Let Nick know down below if you guys want to do a couples like tag challenge or something, if you guys want Nick to come on my channel. He's never really been on my channel before. Okay, so sriracha. This one's actually good. We've had this before. Then I have onion powder. The garlic powder was out of stock. So this is powder. You cook with the granules, but I'm getting ready to make homemade ranch. I want to do like a whole jar of ranch, but that I make of like really good ingredients that don't have filler and all that stuff. That's another reason why I bought the buttermilk, because you put the buttermilk in with the ranch too. So now I have to just order it on my next one. Next up, we have these traditional egg pastas. This is supposedly like really good for you too. This is made out of the same flour, isn't it? Oh no, this is from Italy too. It's organic. I'm excited to try these. They look like very homemade, even though they're not. Okay. Oh, then we have apple cider vinegar. I got a huge thing of that. And then a huge thing of red wine vinegar. I'm definitely going to get into this. Then I've heard good things about this. I just got a little one just to try it out, but this is cream cheese. Then you buy them in a 3-pack and it's less expensive. We have 3 things of sour cream. Okay, then over here, what is this? Pinto beans and then garbanzo beans on the bottom. Here's the other apples, 2 other boxes of apples. And then this last thing, Nick got this at the last second. They were, how much were they, hun? $20 for the box? $20 for 20 pounds. So that's $1 a pound for these. They're so good. My kids go through fruit like nothing, so it's not going to be a problem. Because we're going to process all the apples. We'll keep some for eating. And then, yeah. Oh, and the apples that I got was Honey Crisp and Pink Lady, I think. Those are my 2 favorite ones. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun sharing with you guys my Azure haul. Let me know down below if you like this type of video. I haven't done a haul like this in a long time, so. And I kind of just like wasn't ready, and I was like, you know, I'm just gonna film and show everybody. Haven't been on camera in a while either, so it was fun. See you guys next time. Bye.
What?
What's happening, honey?
Yeah!
Woo! All right, you guys, we just left the office. It's official. We are landowners.
We own land.
Ah!
We own land.
We're going to get our money from the bank, and we're going back to pay our down payment.
Oh
Yes! Can you
go.
believe this?
Landowners, baby. Get ready. I can't wait to tell the kids.
Okay, signing off.
So what are we doing? Get over there. Get over there, close.
Okay, guess what, you guys?
What?
You know that property we just looked at?
Yeah?
It's ours.
We own it. We bought it. We bought it. You guys own land. You guys own land. It's our land. It's in our name. It is officially our land.
I just want to go again.